Welcome students, welcome to the video class. Today we will do some or practice some question based on magnitude and direction of magnetic field near a straight current carrying conductor. ठीक है. तो last class से जो derivation करी थिले ठीक revise करी दो and after that we will start the questions. Okay, if a straight current carrying conductor is there and near the straight current carrying conductor, the magnitude of magnetic field is B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. I is the current that is flowing in the conductor. A is the distance of the point, perpendicular distance of the point from the conductor. Phi 1 is the angle made by the upper part of the conductor above this perpendicular length, and this phi 2 is the angle made by the lower part of the wire. And if it is an infinite conductor, in that case, this B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi a. If it is semi-infinite, B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a. And यदि conductor length होची, if upper part has length L1, lower part has length L2, in that case, B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a, L1 by root over of L1 square plus a square plus L2 by root over of L2 square plus a square. Next is how to find the direction of magnetic field. यदि हमें ट्रिक यूज करबा जे थंब गिव्स द डायरेक्शन जो डायरेक्शन रे करंट जाउची थंब से डायरेक्शन रे रखिबा एंड सेकंड इज पोजीशन जो अछि पोजीशन ऑफ द पॉइंट सेठी फिंगर्स रखिबा एंड दिस palm it's a plane its direction is perpendicular to the surface of the palm ठीक है. तो the palm the direction of the palm gives the direction of magnetic field. यदि ए पॉइंट रे बाहर करिबा करंट अपवर्ड अछि पॉइंट अछि दिस and direction of magnetic field कोन होबा that is direction of the palm that is inward direction ठीक अछि. Okay, so next we will do some question based on this above formulas. The question is a long straight current carrying conductor carries current 5 ampere in the figure shown. Find the magnitude and direction of magnetic field at position A and B. ठीक है. तो a long straight current carrying conductor is there. Long straight means infinite conductor. It carries a current 5 ampere. We have to find the direction and magnitude of magnetic field at position A and B. Position A is 4 cm from the conductor and position B is 2 cm from the conductor. ठीक है. Okay. So for position A, for position A, this is A is 4 cm, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. So for infinite conductor, what is the formula? So B is equal to that is mu naught I by this is 2 pi A, and हमें जानी चाहिए that is mu naught by 4 pi is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla. This is meter square ampere to the power minus 1. ठीक है. तो 8 ही mu naught by 2 pi केते होबो that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. तो एटा हम पकेओ that is so it is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Current केते होछि that is 5 ampere and distance केते होछि 4 cm that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. ठीक अछि. तो 4 sorry 5 to 10 10 एटा ऊपरू गले केते हो into 10 to the power minus 5 by 4, that is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. ठीक है. So the magnitude of magnetic field is 2.5 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla at position A. What is the direction? So current upward अछि position is point A. यदि रखिबा direction of palm is inward direction. So magnetic field direction कौन होगा that is inward. ठीक है. Okay, पोजीशन B पे बाहर करियो फॉर पोजीशन B ओके R के सॉरी A केते अछि 2 cm that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 ठीक अछि तो B is equal to how much that is mu naught I by that is 2 pi A that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 current केते अछि that is 5 and distance केते अछि 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 2 to cancel so this is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. What is the direction? Current upward अछि position 8 अछि like this. So direction of arm is outward direction. So direction 8 कौन होगा outward. ठीक है. Next question is a long straight wire carrying current 1 ampere is placed in a uniform magnetic field. ठीक है. Of magnitude B is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Pointing vertically upward. Find out the magnitude of resultant magnetic field at P and Q. Again, a long straight wire carrying current 1 ampere. It carries a current 1 ampere in uniform magnetic field. So wire is placed in a uniform magnetic field, that is B, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. And the direction of magnetic field, external magnetic field, that is outward. So this is external magnetic field. B is equal to how much? 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla, that is outward. We have to find the magnitude of magnetic field. Resultant magnitude of magnetic field at point P and Q. P and Q both are 2 cm from the wire. Okay. So at point P, net magnetic field बाहर करें. Okay. So it is a long straight wire, so infinite conductor. The current is 1 ampere. So at point P, what is the magnitude of magnetic field? So let us say this is B1 is equal to how much? That is mu naught I by that is 2 pi A. So mu naught by 2 pi is how much? 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. I is how much? 1 ampere. Distance is 2 cm. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. ठीक है. So 2 cancels. So that is how much? So that is 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. What is the direction? At point, direction of magnetic field is it a current, it has a position. Magnetic field direction is direction of the palm, that is inward. Point P ray, it is inward. ठीक है. So B1 is how much? 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. So external magnetic field is 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla outward direction. So it a inward direction B1 and this B is outward direction. तो गोटे इनवर्ड गोटे आउटवर्ड रिजल्टेंट कौन होगा तो बी नेट इज इक्वल टू बिगर माइनस स्मॉलर बोथ आर इक्वल अछंती तो b1 माइनस b कर दबा दैट इज 10 टू द पावर माइनस 5 माइनस 10 टू द पावर माइनस 5 तो आंसर इज 0 तो b नेट और रिजल्टेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट p इज 0 ठीक है q रे बाहर करियो ओके q to Q ray, this B, let us say the magnetic field is B2 produced by the current 1 ampere. So that is B2 is equal to that is mu naught I by 2 pi A. That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into this is 1 divided by that is A is how much 2 cm. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So same thing 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. What is the direction? Direction point Q ray, that is outward direction. तो outward तो 8 ही B2 रो direction is outward, B रो direction और external magnetic field direction is also outward. तो resultant कौन होगा that is B net is equal to that is B2 plus B. So that is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Tesla. Direction कौन that is outward. ठीक है. The next question is two long straight current carrying conductor carries current 5 ampere and 10 ampere respectively, as shown in the figure. Find the resultant magnetic field at point P. So two long straight current carrying conductors are carrying current 5 ampere and 10 ampere respectively. We are going to find the resultant magnetic field at point P. This point P is 2 cm from conductor 1, that is 5 ampere, and this point P is 4 cm from the second conductor, that is carrying a current 10 ampere. So let us find the magnetic field at point P due to the first conductor, that is carrying 5 ampere current. Okay. So for conductor 1, magnetic field कितना होगा? So let us say it is B1. So B1 is how much? That is mu naught I by 2 pi A. Mu naught by 2 pi is how much? 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Distance is how much? 2 cm. Current is 5 ampere. So current is 5 ampere and distance is 2 cm. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. 2 to cancel. So this is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 minus 2 minus 5 Tesla. So what is the magnitude of this magnetic field at point P due to 5 ampere? It is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. What is the direction? Current upward जाउची point हला this position, so magnetic field direction is inward. So it is inward. Second, for conductor 2, let the magnetic field is B2. Let the magnetic field produced at point P due to the second conductor is B2. So कहता होगा that is mu naught I by that is 2 pi A. So mu naught by 2 pi is how much? 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Current is 10 ampere. Distance is 4 cm. That is 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 2 to cancel. 2 5. So this is also, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 minus 2 minus 5 Tesla. What is the direction? Current upward जाउची, point P is this position, magnetic field is upward. So B1 is inward and B2 is outward. So resultant कौन होगा? So B net, since both are in opposite direction, the net magnetic field कौन होगा? That is at point P is B1 minus B2. तो theta का magnitude समान अच्छे, तो इटा कितना होगा? 0. So the net magnetic field at point P is 0. The next question is, a long wire is bent in the middle to form a right angle. Find the magnitude of magnetic field at point P and Q. So a long straight means a infinite rod is bent at the middle. So these two are semi-infinite. Kahinki good infinite rod ta middle re bend karagala. So that means these are two semi-infinite conductors and this angle is 90 degree. And this conductor carries current I. We are going to find the magnitude and direction of magnetic field at point P and Q. Both are at r distance from the conductors. Okay. So let us assume this is first conductor and this is second conductor. So for point P, okay. So for the first conductor, point P is along the axis. So magnetic field कौन होगा? 0. हमें जानी चाहिए from Biot-Savart's law, along the axis of a current carrying conductor, the magnetic field is 0. So that means for the first conductor at point P, so the point P is along the axis. The magnetic field produced by the first conductor is 0 at point P. So let us say this B1 is the magnitude of magnetic field at point P due to first conductor. So since it is along the axis, तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज 0। ठीक अछि। जदि सेकेंड कंडक्टर को देखिबा, पॉइंट P इज परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम P। बुझलो, सेकेंड कंडक्टर को देखिया, पॉइंट P इज it is a perpendicular distance r from the second conductor. So let us say P2 is the magnetic field produced at point P due to the second conductor. So it is semi-infinite होची, तो कहता हो that is mu naught I by 4 pi, distance is r. What is the direction? Current एपटे होची point P एपटे, direction is outward. So that is outward. So for point P or at point P, the net magnetic field कौन होगा? B net is equal to, that is B1 plus B2. B1 is 0, B2 is how much? That is mu naught I by 4 pi r. What is the direction on it magnetic? What is the direction on net magnetic field? It is outward direction. ठीक है? Okay. Next is for point Q. Okay. For point Q को जो देखिवा, the first conductor is r distance from point Q. So it is a semi-infinite. So at point Q, first conductor by magnetic field कौन होगा? Let us say it is B3. So it is semi-infinite, mu naught I by 4 pi, distance is r. ठीक है? What is the direction? Direction कौन होगा? Current upward जो होची, point P is this, direction is outward. ठीक है? Similarly, for the second conductor, point Q is along the axis. For the second conductor, point Q is along the axis. तो कहते हो वो magnetic field, let us say it is B4. तो कहते हो वो it is 0. तो net magnetic field at point Q कौन होगा? That is B net is equal to, that is B3 plus B4. So that is how much? So that is mu naught I by 4 pi r. What is the direction? That is outward. ठीक है? So the net magnetic field at point P and Q both are equal to, that is how much? Mu naught I by 4 pi r. The direction is also outward. ठीक है? The next question is, a conductor carrying current I is bent in the form of a square of side A. Find the resultant magnetic field at the center of the square by. So it is an important question. ठीक है? So let us draw a square. So a square, a wire in the form of a square carries a current I. ठीक है? And the side length is A. ठीक है? And the side length is, each is A. So let us say this is the first conductor, and this is second conductor, this is third, this is fourth. So we have to find the net magnetic field, the magnitude and direction of net magnetic field due to the four conductors. Again, we are going to find the net magnetic field at the center of the square, or at the center due to the four conductors, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us take the first conductor. For the first conductor, magnetic field कहते हैं बाहर करियो. So this, the center is, total length is A. From the center, from the first conductor, center distance कहते हैं half, that is A by 2. So this is a conductor. तो एटा केते एंगल बनौथिबो? So this angle is 45 degree, and this angle is also 45 degree. That means for the first conductor, the phi 1 is 45 and phi 2 is also 45 degree. ठीक है? net magnetic field katha, let us say it is V1. So V1 is how much? So that is mu naught I by 4 pi. Length is how much? A by 2 sine 45 plus sine 45. So sine 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. So 2 4 41. That is mu naught I by, this is 2 pi A. Sine 45 how much? 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So kete hoga eta? This is mu naught I by 2 pi A. This is 2 by root 2. 2 कटला तो root 2. So this is mu naught I by pi A into this is 1 by root 2. ठीक है. So it is the magnetic field due to the first conductor at the center is mu naught I by pi A into 1 by root 2. Direction कौन होगा? That is inward. Okay. यदि second conductor नवा तो same thing. तो distance केते होगा? A by 2 and angle केते होगा? This is 45. This is also 45. Okay ना? तो B2 मध्य कौन होगा? Same thing. That is mu naught I by 4 pi. Distance कहते A by 2 sin 45 plus sin 45. Same value assume, that is कितना होगा? That is mu naught I by pi A into 1 by root 2. Direction कौन assume? It is also inward. So same thing B3 मध्य third conductor पर point center रे, third conductor पर center रे, तो B3 assume that is also equal to B1 and B2. Fourth conductor point center रे कौन होगा? Same magnitude, same direction inward, and this magnitude is equal to B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3 is equal to B4. So we can say this is B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3 is equal to B4. ठीक है. पहले नेट कहते हैं वो. तो net magnetic field will be B net is equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4. तो all are equal. समझ को B1 लिख दो. B1 plus B1 plus B1. So that is how much? 4B1. So that is 4 times of mu naught I by pi A, mu naught I by pi A into 1 by root 2. Direction कौन होगा? Inward. 4 root 2 कटियो, that is 2 root 2 mu naught I by pi A. So this is the value of B net. And direction कौन होगा? That is inward. ठीक है. Next question is, the current I flows in the sides of an equilateral triangle of side length A. Find the direction and magnitude of magnetic field at the center. This is also an important question. ठीक है. तो से कहिछि current I flows in the sides of an equilateral triangle. ठीक है. The current is I and the side length is A. And side length is A. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. Let us assume this is the first conductor, this is the second conductor, and this is the third conductor. So since we are going to find the net magnetic field at the center of the equilateral triangle, let us assume this is the first conductor, this is the second conductor, and this is the third conductor, and each conductor individually will produce magnetic field at the center. ठीक है. So for the first conductor, let us find the magnetic field for conductor 1. ठीक है. for the first conductor center distance भी जानिने and जदि हमें देखिबा this is to the side तो केते एंगल करछि सेंटर रे perpendicular distance रू that is eta केते हबो if this is 60 so this is total angle is 120 so this is 60 this is 60 so that means alpha 1 alpha 2 is equal to 60 degree ठीक है so let us say this is A this is B and this is C let us assume this D so for the first conductor हमें perpendicular distance रो value जानिने ठीक है only we know the side length ठीक है let us say this is O तो ये जो triangle रे this is O and this is A this is D and it has a half of the edge length so it have A by 2 and एटा हमको दरकार perpendicular distance तो एंगल केते होछि 60 ठीक अछि तो जदि हमें tan 60 करिबा तो tan 60 is equal to height by base height is how much A by 2 base is x tan 60 is how much root 3 is equal to A by 2x so x is how much so x is that is A by 2 root 3 so that means the perpendicular distance x is A by 2 root 3 value पके दो so this is A by 2 root 3 ठीक है तो formula पकेवा as per the formula so for the first conductor B1 is mu naught I by 4 pi A is how much perpendicular distance is A by 2 root 3 okay phi is sin phi 1 कहते हैं 60 degree so that is sin 60 plus sin phi 2 is also 60 so 2 कटिबो एठी so that is mu naught I root 3 ऊपर को जीवो root 3 by this is 2 pi A sin 60 is how much root 3 by 2 sin 60 is root 3 by 2 so root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 is how much root 3 so this is mu naught I by 2 pi A root 3 यार value होगा root 3 into root 3 is how much 3 so this is 3 mu naught I by 2 pi A what is the direction of magnetic field the direction of magnetic field is inward it is inward ठीक है तो सेम थिंग सेकंड कंडक्टर को नबा यदि सेकंड कंडक्टर को नबा सेम थिंग तो हमें एमती करिबा दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ओके नहीं तो सेम थिंग एटा भी 60 आसीबो एटा भी 60 so for the second conductor also alpha 1 alpha 2 is sorry phi 1 phi 2 is 60 and distance mother same also so we can say so B2 let us say B2 is the magnetic field due to the second conductor B2 रो magnitude मध्य समान आछो you can say B2 is equal to B1 direction कोन होबो current एपट जो छु ए पॉइंट magnetic field is inward so same thing direction मध्य same इस थर्ड कंडक्टर बाहर करबा so let us say this B3 is the magnetic field due to the third conductor तो एठी मध्य same thing 60 आसीबो 60 60 direction कोन आसीबो यदि एमती करबा it is also inward direction we can say this B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3 ठीक है तो net magnetic field कौन होगा the net magnetic field at point or at the center will be B net is equal to that is B1 plus B2 plus B3 or that is B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3 so we can say this is B1 plus B1 plus B1 that is how much 3B1 ठीक है B1 is how much this is 3 times 3 mu naught I by this is 2 pi A or that is equal to that is 9 mu naught I by 2 pi A what is the direction that is inward direction okay the net net magnetic field at the center of the equilateral triangle is 9 mu naught I by 2 pi a. And the direction is the resultant magnetic field direction is inward. ठीक है